Okay, so quick IGTV in the house. Yeah, so anyway, last 2 weeks in a nutshell. So we came out of quarantine in Bangkok, came through to Phuket, killed it. I'm on day 10 of training. I've had 2 days off, one because of something that was out of my control, and the other one because I need a rest. Now, I'm doing some serious shit out here, and I'm really pushing myself, my boundaries, my body, my discipline, etc. And I've been on and off with the charts, killed 1 or 2 weeks. But this is what I need to like, I just get straight to the point with it. Now, if you go through my Twitter, okay, fuck these things off. What you'll see is a multitude of setups, trades, etc. Now, on week 1, made enough percentage / but whatever it may be, to last a long time. Now, there's people out there that think and feel that they have me sussed out and Astro sussed out, but there's not one person who's actually hit the nail on the head yet. I can't be asked to go into all of that bullshit negativity and retarded behavior from people who aren't even on a level. Why are we listening to people that aren't even on a level at all? I don't fucking know. And yeah, so whatever. And then we might have had like a few scuffles in the week. For instance, gold melted yesterday. I was long. Roll stops to 18.54. GBP USD lost 16 pips on that. Made 80 on GA. GA today short, dropped 90, and then rolled stops past entry. All of this, you go through my Twitter. If you had a fucking brain like you fucking mathematicians out there are supposed to, you expert fucking traders who are all congregating in the fucking, on Roger Banks' little profile, a grown man, well, he's not even a man, he's a fucking tramp, smelly ass bastard. That's what he is. Miserable cunt, paying 2k a month rent because he has my name in his mouth every single fucking month for like 4 or 5 years. Top fucking fan. And all these other tramps in the industry as well. I can sit here for 4 or 5 years, mate, and just kick a fucking bag and hit some mittens. You know what I'm saying? You lot are dumb. You're all thick. So go through my Twitter profile. Go through. I've been half-hearted. I've been lying in bed for like 3 days while my body chills. Have a few massages here and there. And you lot are stressing, looking at the screen, acting as if you don't lose every single week. In and out. In and out. Just fucking look in the mirror. Stop lying to yourself. Go look at my tweets, mate. Add all of it up. Someone add it all up, put it on a spreadsheet. And if I'm not in positive for the last 2 weeks alone, never mind the first week that I smashed, I will give you 20k straight up. You go do that. Add it all up and send it to me. If I am not in positive, I will give you 20k. Anyway, fuck that. None of you deserve it because you're all fucking idiots. All that you see in this game really is hypocrisy to another level. Everyone wants to throw shade on your name, but they're trying to do the same as you. You understand? And they get into these little groups. I've had hundreds and hundreds of people against me, but still not one of you little groupie bastards have ever had the energy to even bring me down personally, or even me and that. What does that say about you? You're weak on a different level. I can confidently sit here and say to you lot, I've tried to help you lot as well. You don't act like all these little mentors and shit are fucking not stalking my tweets or have notifications on my tweets. You know why I've had not even a rocky week. The week's been all right, but I'm not putting the effort in. I'm half-hearted with it. I'm half-assed. When I want to kill shit, I need some fire and motivation because I don't see any motivation from one person in this industry, one person in this game, whether it be social media or in the higher realms, because I'm coming for that as well. And when you see the switch up, I just need to pray for you all, because when the regulations come in, you can't even trade no more. What are you gonna do then? You're gonna all go broke. So congrats. I can't wait. That's why I can sit here in this little bed right now, sipping my tea. There's not one steering wheel in sight. There's not one watch in sight. There's not one gold bracelet in sight today. Why? Because I've already lapped every motherfucker that's watching this video. And I always try to come across, like, I post a lot of wild shit. You know, I even get in altercations with so-called business associates and stuff like that because they don't really get the program too much. And I might offend people or hurt people's feelings by putting the truth on the table as to what's going on in the world right now, especially outside of Forex. Because I feel like spreading awareness is a selfless act. And I do want everybody to actually do well in this world, but these motherfuckers still come against me, and they can all fucking die straight up, and they probably will die soon because they're thick and they're gonna get caught up in a trap. And we're only in phase 2 of phase 5, by the way, with the whole Corona Act, and I'm trying to wake you people up to it, but you still don't get it, and you still come at me. I'm still trying to help you motherfuckers, and you still come at me. I've got nothing. Imagine me, I do not look at any other man's profile when it comes down to Forex, because they're all shit. I don't give a fuck about your shitty cars, mate. I don't give a fuck about nothing. All your shitty bullshit captions, you fucking ain't got a clue. People have not got substance. I respect everybody. I love the Astro guys as well, Astro clients on the program, and a lot of people that I've met around the world. I have a network of gems who are on point. We are not anywhere near. Please, it's offensive to even put it out there that we are anywhere near these tramp-ass motherfuckers levels with the Raj banks and all this bullshit. Well, stop mentioning this guy's name in my fucking DMs, mate. I don't give a fuck about this guy. I won't give a zero fuck if my man's legs got cut off, thrown in the ocean, his head got clean cut off, his family's head got clean cut off because they're a waste of space. All of them are not doing nothing apart from spreading bollocks against me and my guys. We're actually fucking spreading a good away. He's like a fucking little demon, little rat. He stinks, mate. He stinks like shit. He copies all our shit anyway and tries to flip it back. And you dickheads fucking look at it and praise him. You start, why a 30-odd-year-old man trying to gang up and say things about my 5-year-old son? What are you now, cyberbullies? Mate, if you had... I'm not even going to go into it on this video, but you know that you'll die, basically, because you're a fucking tramp, and you'll never get to the level you're on. I'm just taking that as an example from people. We're trying to spread good awareness. I'm trying to say, you know what, fuck you all, actually. Go fucking die, mate. Phase 2 out of phase 5, 2025, yeah? Go get caught up in the shit. People are falling by the wayside, and all of you negative bastards, I hope you fall for it. Hope you get scammed in the trap of the government, and you will see what happens. I'm good, bro. I'm good. Don't worry about me. There's not one thing you can say about me. There's not one negative remark that will change my status in this life right now, because I've already worked for it. I'm already in with it, and it's all good. I'm just trying to tell you guys, but you know what? You can fuck yourself. Anybody on the good path, and you know who you are, and all my associates, fucking well done for getting out of the trap. Let them stay in the trap and carry on chatting fucking shit. But above all of that, I feel that all these expert traders go through my Twitter, mate, at half-ass like 10 days or other shit. So you know, I'll come back and I'll kill your whole 6 months in 1 week, and that's what it is. And again, imagine. Okay, these people who preach successful trading or successful mentality, they preach to the groups. You're going to have losing days. You're going to have losing weeks. But when they see another man, that's better than them, by the way, have a losing day or a trade that's, roll to break even, and then they start chatting shit to their group about this one guy who just, secured 6 pips because the market went against him. Let's all try to laugh at him. What does that say about you? Are you fucking dumb? Are you fucking thick, mate? I got so angry today, because people are just fake. I can't handle how fake people are anymore. And you're so in denial, it's mad. And you got all these other little pricks, you know who you are, with your little apps and shit, trying to say I'm stunting. Stunting with what, bro? I'm trying to learn how to take your head off with my right leg. And I will come and take your head off with my right leg when I see you, you know who you are. But stunting with what, mate? I ain't got no whips. I ain't got no watches. I ain't got no nothing. I'm a fucking free agent. Before I become a free agent, I ensured my family was a free agent first. And my family got net worth from zero, out the trenches. I come from a worse place than any of you bastards I've been through. And you little cunts online, that's all you little fucking scumbags would not ever be able to get out the place that we came from. Standard, period. And you're still shit. You're still shit. I could sit in this bed for 5 years and you're still gonna be shit. But anyway, fuck them. Anybody watching this video, please guys, do not become one of these cunts, yeah? Stick with me for a little bit. I'm just going through a process right now. We're going to kill the Twitter, we're going to kill the feed, we're going to kill everything that I have installed. Don't worry about that. Don't get dragged into these dickheads mentality. Please take trading in your own lane. Don't follow these cunts. Roger Banks, who has ever said to you, your life is amazing, bro, I wish I had it? Nobody. Your life is shit. Your girl's a tranny. Your kid's a tramp. You're fucking a tramp. All your whole clique is... I wouldn't even mention your name. But I got people in my DMs, my request DMs, sending me this bullshit. You're talking about my son. What are you on about, bro? My son's worth more than you and anybody you know. And oh my days. You have no idea. You jump into conclusions. You'll jump to conclusions. You're like, haha, emoji. You're putting the emojis in the convo because you're all fucking lost today. You lost yesterday. You lost this week. You lost last week. You lost last month. Be honest with yourself. Go do the maths on the Twitter. Keep watching. I can't even be arsed with this bollocks. Cause you're all fucking kids, mate. You're all kids. And you're all older than me as well. That's the whole thing. You're all older than me. You know. But I love it. I just love it how, like, you've got all of these little name brands. You've got like 100 of you. And you got your little following clique as well, who have no idea about life. Probably all vaccinated. Bands. And you're all in there and you're trying to come at me and I'm still roasting all of you. You need to get your energy at me. Because you're not ever going to take this down and you're fucking stupid. And all your girlfriends are peasants as well. Not even just you're not just a peasant. All your girls are peasants. Uninspiring peasants. That's what they are. And I feel sorry for you all. You're trapped with peasants. Uninspiring, unhappy, overweight, 60 cigarettes a day peasants. And it's just a fact. Over here, we're fucking good, mate. I'm fucking great. So other than that, just to top this one off real quick, what I said on the last IGTV video is 100% enforced, 100% happening. We can't expect everything to happen in 1 or 2 weeks. I'm going with my own process and my body, how my body's building, my mind's building right now. And yeah, if anyone really in this Forex game would like to, I'll fly you out to Thailand and we can fight. It's up to you. It really is up to you. Like anyone, like it's really up to you if you want to do that. You can get at me, ezracapital@protonmail.com. We can sort that out. We can arrange that. But other than that, guys, following these losers, think about what I've just said. They are fucking scum, man. They're scum. They try to make me out like I'm scum. I'm fresh. I'm fresh, mate. They ain't fresh. They stink.